In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the EVAP vent valve. This is located on the charcoal canister, which is on the driver's side underneath the bed of the truck on the frame. Let's get started. On the frame side of the canister, you'll see this 12mm headed bolt that we have to remove, and there's a hole in the bracket that you can reach an extension and a socket up through. With that done, the canister can be pulled down and off of the bracket. If you tilt the canister, you can now see your vent solenoid valve. Twist this hose and pull it off. And carefully try to unplug that electrical connector. If it's difficult to remove, you can very gently use some pliers to help push on that tab at the top. There it is. And then to unlock the vent solenoid, we'll have to turn it counterclockwise and unclip it. Right over here is difficult to see, but there is a lock. However, if you grab onto it and pull it, it should unlock. Now don't turn it too much. Right about here is where you're going to want to grab and pull and twist, and you'll see it start to come out. And there it is. The new one you'll see has some tabs that have to lock in there. So push it and twist it. As soon as it lines up, it'll start going in. Bottom it out all the way, and then turn it clockwise until it clicks. There we go. That's locked. Now reconnect the hose on the vent valve. There, just like that. And finally, the electrical connector. All right, that's connected. Now down here, you want to make sure that the canister lines up with the bracket and slides in. Push it up and have your bolt ready to start in. Snug it up, and that is reinstalled.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.